Untitled Beatles podcast.
When they're patching in a lot of shots of John playing along to those Beatles songs, I feel like that's footage from How Do You Sleep?
Right. Oh, the irony. At 8:49 in the film, George does something I've never heard him do, and he plugs the most underappreciated Beatles album, their first double album. It's the Beatles story.
Certainly when you get a situation like the Beatles story, everybody had their own idea of what happened.
Although it's not documented, George Harrison was probably born with an amused smile on his face, and if he has his way at the end, he'll go out in a similar manner. To get an angry response out of George, you'd probably have to be his tailor, for clothing next to music is his only concern.
Untitled Beatles podcast. Like and subscribe.